Ever feel like your days are full, but you barely remember living them? Like you're moving through task after task, but something in you feels absent? In a world of endless noise and speed, presence can feel like a luxury. We're taught to move fast, to multitask, to get things done. So we cook while checking emails, walk while worrying, listen to music while scrolling. Even moments meant to nourish us become part of the blur. But presence doesn't require a retreat or a ritual. It begins in the small spaces of daily life. It begins with attention. Presence is the practice of showing up fully, gently, honestly. And the ordinary moments, they're not in the way of your spiritual path. They are the path. Here are 5 ways to practice presence while doing what you already do. 1. Walking or exercising. This is your time to inhabit your body. Feel the ground under your feet. Notice how your arms swing, how your breath flows in and out. The rhythm of your movement becomes a meditation. You don't have to change anything. Just be inside the experience. Let walking be walking. Let movement be enough. No need to distract. No need to rush. Your body knows how to be here. Follow it. 2. Cooking and eating. Let this become a quiet ritual instead of a rushed routine. Notice the textures of ingredients in your hands. Listen to the sizzle, the chop, the stir. Let each step be slow, intentional, and sensory. Smell the spices. Watch the steam rise. Feel the warmth of the stove or the coolness of fresh produce. And when you eat, pause. Taste your food. Chew slowly. Let eating be a moment of gratitude, not just fuel. You are nourishing more than your body. You are feeding your awareness. 3. Driving or taking the train. Instead of checking your phone or numbing out with distraction, try simply being where you are. Feel the seat beneath you, the vibration of the road or track. Watch the scenery move past without needing to label it. Notice your hands on the wheel, the changing light outside the window. Let the journey be a space to soften. Let the pauses at red lights or train stops become reminders to return to yourself. Even in motion, you can be still inside. 4. Cleaning. Most of us rush through cleaning just to get it over with. But what if it became a grounding practice? Feel the weight of the cloth in your hand. Notice the circular motions as you wipe. See the dust lift, the surface shine, the energy shift. Let each small act be a clearing, not just of your home, but of your mind. You don't need to make it perfect, just make it conscious. Cleaning can be more than a task. It can be an offering, a quiet return to clarity and care. 5. Listening to music. We often let music play in the background, but when was the last time you truly listened? Set down your distractions, close your eyes, let the melody fill your awareness. Notice the textures of sound, the rise and fall, the pause between notes. Feel where the music lives in your body. Let it move something in you. This is presence through sound. You don't have to think about it. Just listen. Let the music remind you what it means to feel. Presence doesn't mean doing more. It means doing what you already do with your whole self. Attention is love. And when you give it to the present moment, you remember that you're already home. This moment is enough. And so are you. Thank you for being here. If this video reminded you to slow down and come home to yourself, we invite you to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it too. Let presence be your practice, right where you are. And if you'd like more gentle reminders like this, come join us for the next video. This is Wisdom Activation. See you soon.